Previously on Espongerific.
My goal is to do one muscle up at Santa Monica. I was going to Santa Monica, spinning shit, and I'm just stressed. No, I want to do a muscle up. And now I can finally, which was to do a muscle up by this summer. Anyways, I'll catch you guys there, show you Santa Monica, maybe we'll pre some food. I'm pretty hungry, I haven't eaten yet. I'll catch you guys at the beach. Peace. What's up, guys? Finally made it to Santa Monica. Just stuck in a lot of LA traffic, which wasn't fun, as you can see right behind me. But we're not here for that. This is what I came for. I'm not that fancy, can't do crazy muscle up flips, but I will do a muscle up, just like I told you guys. I'm gonna show you. All right guys, I'm gonna do a muscle up. I have a little messed up calluses over here, you can see that. Should I peel it off? Nah, fuck it. Keep it. You need the arm. Do it right here. I did it. That's all I wanted to do. Alright. I'm gonna put you guys in my shirt, like right here. I'm gonna climb that. See how it works. Oh. Get the footage. Oh, it burns. There you go, I did it. You're welcome. I did it a lot quicker than last time.
Yeah, nice.
I did it with like my camera. It was like I got stuck right here. Oh, that was sick. Hey, what's up, guys? So we were just looking for some food, and I ended up finding this random taco truck on the way back to my car. And we got two al pastor tacos. We got one crunchy and one not crunchy. So I got the non-crunchy one. I'm gonna try this out real quick. Let me bless it with some lime. Oh yeah. It comes with these peppers and these what are these, like turnips? No, not turnips. Something. Let's try this out. Oh, that one's for you. Here you go. Cheers. Smells good. Damn, I like it. Those tacos about $3. Is that expensive for LA? I don't know.
Usually they're $2.
Alright, so it's expensive for LA, but it's good. But being from Toronto and we're paying $6 for these, this is really good. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Oh man, sorry, it was falling out everywhere. It spilled all over the place. But man, that was amazing. I've only tried the al pastor. I'll get it. And yeah, go, you eat now. Hey, what's up, guys? So we're at this place called Killer Noodle that I found. I forgot whose YouTube video I saw it on, but it was a great place, so I wanted to try it out. It's in like Culver City, right? It's in Culver City. There's a couple actually in LA, but yeah, this is 5 spices and it comes with like this ground pork on top. Let me try it. Let's try the soup. You always gotta try the soup. It's like setting in. It slowly sets in. It wasn't spicy at first. That's not that bad. Like it's a slow burn. You know what I mean? It's not like a punch in your face, but it's like a slowly punch in your face. It's pretty good. Going for the noodles. Let's try this out. I get a nice pause real quick. Yeah, get in there for me. Like, get really good footage of it. Just like mixing it. There's like ground pork in there.
I think so.
It's like ground pork, right?
Like minced pork.
So, actually came with some sesame seeds in there, some ground pork, some bean sprouts. Thank you. What else? Any surprises? I don't know. Can I get the meat up on top? Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of noodles. This is a large. The only difference between yours and mine are like, this one has more noodles. That's literally it.
Your menu is 27 megabytes.
Oh yeah. It's gonna make me tear up. That's gonna make me tear up. I feel like I should have gotten 6 spice.
Damn!
Honestly, yeah, it's not that bad. It's doable. But honestly, my spice tolerance got pretty high from Thailand.
Yeah.
It's nice and creamy. I like the peanut. This one has peanut taste. I don't think yours has a peanut taste.
No, mine is more
Yeah, mine's got that rich peanut taste.
acidic.
Look at how it just hugs the noodles. You wanna pour the soup on? Yeah. Look at that. See the noodles just drip down? That's some good hugging noodles. Some good soup hugging noodles. Oh yeah. Yeah, get a good shot. Get a nice close-up shot of the noodles. Yeah, you can stop it. Oh. That's surprising. This meat, this little meat, sweet. I didn't see that coming. I like the meat. It's like a nice, sweet, spicy, savory meat. I was gonna say salty. It's not salty. I wonder if I should ask for chilies.
Damn!
I got 5. Oh man. Hey guys.
Yeah, I think 3.
Level 5 spice done. I got the Tokyo style. Nice and creamy.
It's not bad. No, I think probably
This is me peak spice, and it's doable. Like, my nose is running, a little sweaty, but it's super doable. If you like spice, I recommend doing the 6. But 5 is like comfortable. You know what I mean? It's spicy, but a little bit of water. I'm good. That's it. Cool off really quick. Anyways, guys, definitely recommend Killer Noodle.
You got into my eyes.
Alright guys, I prematurely finished, but now I'm officially done. I didn't realize how much I was gonna eat in terms of the broth, and yeah, I just finished the broth like straight, like it's done. Alright guys, so I got it at this, I finally got this ice cream at the SomiSomi. It comes with the fish. It's like, as you can see, I already bit the tail off. But they basically coat the inside with like taro or whatever you want. You can put Nutella. I put taro. I got Thai milk tea. In ice cream form, which I've never had. It's crazy. We don't have that shit in Toronto. And it comes with this little strawberry. Yeah, let's give it a shot. Thai milk tea. Tastes like Thai milk tea. And let me try this. Let me try the bite. No, let me get a bigger bite. As you can see, filled with taro, and it's like one of those Japanese snacks. Like, you ever go to Japan or seen it anywhere? They get the fish and they fill it with some red bean or something like that. Anyways, go look at them sing. Alright. Well, I'm gonna finish this. Peace.